What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian, and we're on day four of this Puerto Rico series. It is bright and sunny right now. It's good weather, so we're gonna try to get a lot of riding in before the rain comes. But I have a special surprise. Guess who flew in late last night? Yeah, we got Karina here. Karina flew in. She's here. She's gonna get at least 1 to 2 days of riding and possibly a good beating also, because you're not a Puerto Rican jet ski rider unless you take some big swells. All right. And of course, we've got these two here. We have, of course, Sea Roach again. He's here. He's gonna tell us where exactly are we going today.
Well, I guess we have a big issue right now.
Oh, what's going on?
I don't know. We gotta.
Oh, there's no jacket. Oh my.
We left the jacket down.
Okay. Well, we can always figure something. We're gonna figure something out. Stay tuned. Cut. Technical difficulty. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Guys, we're back. We had a little bit of a technical difficulties, but we've got this. Now, what ramp are we at now, Karina? Suelo or something like that? Oh, okay. All right. We've got the skis loaded. So, where are we going to go today? Tell the viewers where we're going today.
We are in Putapazuelo, Guayama, Puerto Rico, and we're heading to a bunch of islands, caves, a chain of caves.
Caves. Are there dead people in the caves this time?
No.
Okay. Nobody's died in these caves.
No, nobody died.
Okay. Then I'm gonna go in these caves. Caves. Oh, the caves. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Am I right? Am I?
Yes. No, it's caves. Yeah. I thought people were telling me they're caves. There's a lot of caves last night, and I was like, oh. And there's a restaurant.
Yes,
it's on the
we're
water.
gonna have lunch at Marina de Salinas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they make good coffee over there.
Yeah.
So we don't have to make coffee.
Oh no! I thought Vilmarie has to make you a coffee at least.
Maybe
yeah.
She's gonna get off.
Oh, he's giving her a day off. Okay. All right. So last night I met up with the Chinchorreo.
Chinchorreo jet ski.
And Poti was telling me this is his favorite spot. He loves to go out here in the sandbars and the mangroves and just relax. Right. He was telling me all about it. All right, the people here, especially like last night, we had the barbecue and everything. We went out there, and they put on this whole barbecue. Look, cue the clips.
Yeah.
What is happening?
Oh my god. Oh, they know how to really welcome somebody.
Wow.
With Sea Roach TV.
Oh, look at that sea roach.
Oh.
This guy here will take you real up and close and personal over to some secluded top
setup.
Look
Look at this.
Yeah. And
That
so
is
I'm gonna put
too
his information
funny.
down below so you check out his channel. I mean, you gotta go check him out.
Oh man, what's happening?
Oh yeah, come and visit Puerto Rico. I didn't realize they had such a big
Is that you?
event, like jet ski groups here too. So there's gonna be an event where Tonito, Vilmarie.
If y'all ever want to see what's going on live, exactly what's going on behind the scenes, and what we're doing every day, check our IG stories, check our Facebook stories, and even YouTube stories, and you'll see, get to see the videos being made before they're released on YouTube. so smooth. And look at that background. Oh my gosh. Another beauty. It's a different ramp. This is supposed to be the bay. And bays in Texas are not this smooth, let me tell you. It's a feeling that I So they went over there. We're gonna try to catch up to the others right now because they said that there's some natural pools. All right, Hilmari is gonna come over here and come get us because we don't know the path to take to get to the natural pools over there. Okay, never mind, you just walk on top of it. So this is actually a sandbar. We thought it was like coral reef and we can't walk on top of it. It's just sand with basically weeds growing on top of it. Gosh, it is really nice. You would think that this is like not salt water, that this is really like a spring water, fresh spring water.
I'm just jealous of this water. All I know is brown water.
We gotta take whatever we can get.
I guess.
But it is a lot different being over here. I don't think I want to go home. delicious. Fried food, good vibes. I don't want to scare you. Are you ready to take this? I didn't do anything. Why are you getting mad at me? It is. It's that way. Pretty windy right now, so hopefully this audio is good. Excuse the wind, but oh my gosh, it was super choppy on the way back, but at least we got to go through the mangroves. And Karina didn't end with such a bad experience. She got flat water a little bit before we ended this day. Also, if you like this video, if you follow me already and all that other stuff, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and hit us with a comment. And make sure you're subscribed. Please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps out the channel. And see you on the water. Thank you for letting me.